Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best wood shapers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wood shapers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Grizzly Industrial G102642 HP shaper. The last product on the list comes with affordability paired with a considerable amount of power. Yes, we've seen devices with 3 HP and 5 HP engines, but once you get to learn about the features, you won't be unhappy with this 1 HP engine. Manufacturers have pulled off quite a feat in making the table very smooth. I am also counting on the durability of the table because of the use of ground cast iron. Now, what about the fence? Well, it provides easy adjustments along with the wood facing. And the most amazing feature is the spindle that accepts 2 differently sized router bits. Another awesome feature is the spindle lock. It makes your work easy and the cuts more precise. And the reversing switch isn't bad either. You would also appreciate the convenient on/off button. Among other features, you will find the starting pins and router bit adapter to be handy. Moving on at number 4. We have the Jet JWS35X515 HP 1PH wood shaper. Are you looking for a powerful device to shape the woods? Here's one with a 5 HP engine to see the job done. You would be delighted to find the magnetic control of this unit. And it couldn't be more precise in shaping the wood. When you handle large cuts, the muscle will take the lead. I also like the belt in this shaper. It would surely supply a massive amount of power to the unit's spindle. Now, is the safety feature up to the mark? You bet. The positive detent spindle lock won't disappoint you in the least. With this in place, you will have the most secure setup. Another feature I want to mention is the dust port. It comes with a 4-inch body so that you can hook it up to all sorts of the dust collection system. And with such a feature in place, the job will be done faster than anticipated. You also need to check out the pulley drive. It comes with 4 different speeds. Moreover, the device has a quick release lever. Therefore, if you are concerned about controlling the spindle torque and speed, then put an end to that feeling. What's more, there are starting pins included in the package to offer the user a head start. As for drawbacks, well, we didn't come across any significant one from the user's reviews. So, we were too busy admiring the micro adjustment control, chrome handwheel, and quick adjustment of spindle height. For its overall features, durability, and reasonable price point, this has secured its spot in our top 5 of the best wood shapers buying guide. At number 3, we have the Fox W16742 HP shaper. If you love to have your job done fast, then we have a machine that might interest you. To say that this is one of the fastest working devices out, there won't be an exaggeration. And you need to study the spindle travel of this unit to know what I mean. We are talking about a good 3-inch of it. The ability to stack more than 1 cutter at a time is unbelievable, which we see in this model. Moreover, it has taken functionality to a whole new level by allowing you to operate tall cutters. And thus, we see the outrageous speed of wood shaping, thanks to the less time consumption in changing tools. What's also great is that you can adjust the spindle vertically. All you got to do is stack multiple cutters, which the device allows. Now, the unit comes with several other precious features. From reversing switch to hold down springs, it lacks none of the important stuff. You will also find the split fence efficient. It comes with a micro adjustment feature that is fully independent. Also, the safety guard assures you of trouble-free working experience. And the miter gauge is there to tackle challenging tasks. Now, only if there wasn't one user finding the spindle lock inefficient. He had to seek the help of router bits to do OG-style raised panels. The problem was that the regular-sized cutter wouldn't match the machine. Also, locking the key into place wasn't easy for him. At number 2, we have the Powermatic 1280101 CPM 2700 shaper. The wood shaper by Powermatic combines power and precision to give you a dependable machine that will provide you with professional results. It has amazing features that will not only make your work easier but will also enable you to shape wood accurately. The base is constructed from high-grade steel and is also fully welded to maximize durability. In addition to this, the shaper is equipped with a miter gauge that will assist you when making customizations. This equipment boasts of a 5 HP motor that can operate at a minimum speed of 7,500 RPM and a maximum of 10,000 RPM. The quick-release lever will allow you to make easy changes when swapping belts, thereby reducing your downtime. Plus, the fence system has a user-friendly design and is also slotted for your convenience. As such, you can mount different accessories to the fence without experiencing any problem. The fence has a locking mechanism, which will hold it in place once the adjustments have been made. To make it even better, this wood shaper is fitted with full swivel casters for easy mobility. Besides, the casters are retractable, so you can tuck them away when they are not being used. Additionally, the unit has a digital display that will guide you when adjusting the height of the spindle. This feature enhances user accuracy and allows the machine to shape work materials with precision. And finally at number 1, we have the Grizzly G1026 shaper. Equipped with a powerful 3 HP single-phase motor, the Grizzly G1026 will allow you to shape and craft wood with the utmost precision. The machine is fitted with several accessories that will assist you when working with different sizes of wood. Plus, the work area is very large and can accommodate both small and large workpieces. In addition to this, you will have enough room to maneuver the work material as you shape it. As such, you will get the results that you want without damaging the work material. More on the work area, it is built from high-quality cast iron to give users maximum stability when shaping wood. The other thing that you will like about this wood shaper is that it has 2 spindle speeds, which you can use depending on the task requirements. With that said, you can tune the motor to run at 7,000 RPM or 10,000 RPM. Both speeds will provide you with clean cuts, so you can use either when shaping wood. The split fence on this wood shaper is fully adjustable, meaning that users can customize it according to their needs. And the fact that it can be adjusted independently makes it even more convenient because you will be able to change the position of the side that you are working with without interfering with the other. Like the work area, the fence is also made of cast iron, so it won't bend, and neither will it break when the shaper is in use. This equipment has 3 interchangeable spindles that are of different sizes, so you can make use of the one that matches the task description. The magnetic switch has a thermal overload protection feature, which ensures that the motor is operating under the right conditions. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.